And that's the latest in the world of sports. Let's just recap what you'll be waking up to tomorrow on Kenya's bold newspaper, The Standard. The headline going big with Unmoved by bloodshed. Even as the nation reels from a damning expose revealing extrajudicial killings during last year's Gen Z protest, fresh reports have emerged of police firing live bullets at residents protesting an alleged land grab in Narok. Rights groups now question whether President William Ruto and his security chiefs grasp their constitutional duty, chief among them the protection of life. Make sure you grab yourself a copy of The Bold, because only the bold speak the truth. We take a short break right now on KTN Prime. As we come back, we shift focus to the conversation in studio. I'll be joined by two sharp minds, Stella Agara, who's a governance and security analyst, and Maliba Arnold in his capacity as a public policy analyst. And by the way, he's a party leader of the Progress Plus Alliance. We'll be taking a look at a raft of issues, including opposition politics, where we saw the faces of a new coalition. What lies in store in terms of their bid to unseat President William Ruto. Equally, we'll take a look at the reactions from the BBC documentary Blood Parliament, which has caused an uproar on social media, even as IPOA has come in to give their take on the progress of investigations in regards to rogue police officers. That coming up in the next part of KTN Prime. Stay with us.